You're not afraid anymore. Is the energy which is coming in. You're trusting yourself. Hello Libra, welcome new viewers, cross watchers and my lovely Moonians. Thank you so much for being here. This is a monthly reading for August 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us, alright? So let's see what the oracle has for us. Spirit, thank you. We have friendship and union coming in. I'm just being asked to look into that. That's about it. Friendship and union coming in, which may be talking about coming on the same page with someone. Maybe maybe it has been a long ride with this person. Maybe you have been trying to put across a certain kind of point of view, which they are coming around with, is also coming in. But a lot of support which is coming in over here. Finding your own soul family energy also coming in. Those who resonate with you on that frequency, they are on a similar path. Meeting people in places which are like your interest, like art museum kind of thing, is also coming in. But like-minded people who will be entering your life, and this is a time of really rejoicing in the friendships that you have created and cultivated over time. They will be rewarding you. I'm being asked to say you can rely upon me, and that song by Bruno Mars, you can count on me like one. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. Na 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 na. Do 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 do. Yeah. And also follow your intuition and listen to your heart's beautiful song and dance along. But this is a merging point of what your head is saying and your heart is saying. It's in a very safe space where you can think very clearly, and decisive energy which is coming in over here also. Befriending your own self is also the energy. All right, we have the High Priestess coming in, Pisces Major Arcana coming through, which is talking about and reminding you that you have a lot of wisdom which you can share. You can enlighten many. Where there is a lot of confusion, you can enlighten someone in need is also coming in. But you have to start believing in yourself and not be daunted by the higher powers which call you, just because it is not logical to follow the spiritual path, is also the energy which is coming in. But yeah, listen to your intuition is also coming in, and it's time to dive deeper into your emotions. You may have been hiding what you truly feel is also coming through. We have the Magician card also coming in. All right, in reverse, Mercurial energy which is coming in, Gemini and Virgo energy coming through with this one. And this is talking about letting go of manipulation, feeling safe to showcase your vulnerable side is also coming in, or tapping into your emotions and letting go of the facades is also coming through. Not trying to overly manipulate anything. I won't say that, but like at least letting go of control is also coming in. Letting go of the control of how people see you is also the energy which is coming in. Let that not define you. And I'm not really following all that I'm saying, because I'm just looking at the lamp over here. On the other side, we have Knight of Blades coming in, which is Knight of Swords coming through. This is someone who thinks a lot, who wants to say a lot, maybe a little confused, just likes to articulate after thinking quite a bit. And this may be someone who is quite enthusiastic in putting across their point of view. So you may have met your match, is the energy which is coming in. And we have Ace of Blades also coming in, which is that thing of like truths coming out, wanting to confess something, wanting to break the silence is also coming in. If you have been silent, it's like the silent treatment is killing them, and they want to initiate certain kind of conversation, make things clear once and for all, is the energy also coming in over here. And we have the King of Blades also coming in. Wow, okay. Yeah, you may have met your true match over here. With all the blades coming through, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius influence is coming in. You both have been thinking a lot is coming through, and they may be thinking that you're hiding. yourself. Maybe it's like there are many sensitive things that you are overcoming at the moment is also coming in, just saying, which you don't really want to talk about. So at the end of it, there's a little bit of miscommunication which they are picking on, and they may not know the source of it. Is also the energy which is coming in. With the King of Blades coming through, King of Swords coming in, this is someone who likes to make practical decisions, is very logical, is very rational, likes their thoughts uh, complete, clear, articulates very clearly, is a very good communicator. And this person coming in over here as a common energy over here, you both have very, very intellectual talks with each other. It's like you both elevate when you start talking a little more philosophically is also coming in, or they may have said something which really intrigued you towards them, and vice versa is the energy which is coming in. On a mental level, there is a connection very, very strong. You may be telepathic also is the energy which is coming in. And over here also there's the spiritual path being called upon, because this is a journey of mastery is also the energy which is coming in. At the bottom, we have the tower coming through, which is talking about certain foundations, certain relationships which were built on shaky grounds. Maybe even this one, if this connection was too lofty in the air, it needs to be grounded, and that is coming, like you both are on the same page, but you may be talking in a different way is also coming in, which, how do I explain this? But anyways, anything which was built on shaky grounds will be coming to an end. So it could be like things couldn't have gone further the way they were, and you called it off. Even if it wasn't something that you wanted, but you did it because you knew this had to happen, this test had to happen, that kind of a thing is also coming in. Whatever the cause may be, they are thinking very clearly. They may be keeping a tab on you quite significantly, trying to understand where you are, how you placed in life. Is there someone in your life? If this is a situation of separation, but they're keeping close tabs on you, social media wise also is coming through quite a bit, and they are trying to figure out how to re-enter. That is the common theme which has been going on. So just talking about it, we have the we have the Four of Pentacles coming in. They want to build something solid now. They do acknowledge that there were certain things, because they were out of balance, they created certain kind of havoc is also coming in, or they blurted out their anger on you, which wasn't really fair is also the energy which is coming in over here. But thinking more clearly now for sure is the energy which is coming in over here. Things are becoming clear for them. We have the Justice card, Libra Major Arcana coming in, and the Eight of Wands. Yeah, there's certain kind of messages which are due, a conversation which is due is also coming in, which helps pave a path, a new path is also the energy which is coming in, which is more honest, which is more hearty, in the sense like feeling safe enough to speak your mind is also the energy which is coming in. But they're highly intrigued by you, they're captivated by you is also the energy which is coming in. They like what they're seeing. Let's see what the Love Oracle has for us. Okay. We have trust. You have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intuition. You may not be following your intuition so much, or you may be allowing, because the way this is, I'm just going to talk about it. This could be you, this could be you. For me, when I'm reading it, this side is Libra for me, the sign that I'm reading for. But this may be someone who may be acting or trying to make an understanding of a situation out of their ego self, through their defenses, through their guard is the energy which is coming in over here. That you feel that you have to play a certain role to keep the other person pacified in a certain way. Anyways, this one is asking you to have more trust in this connection is also coming in over here. But more than anything else, trust yourself. What is your head, your intuition, your body, your heart trying to say to you about this connection, about something in your life where you feel that you have to step in and make your voice heard? That is the energy which is coming in. The first step is to trust yourself. So when you are feeling more calmer, once you do the shadow work also for some people coming through, embrace all that you are and allow that you have a gift that you can share, but you're not trusting your own capabilities. Also the energy which is coming in over here. They maybe they just want you to trust them more is also the energy which is coming in. We have detachment coming through. You're releasing old patterns and ideas that no longer serve your highest ideals of love. They want to come in afresh. They may have been confused as to how to convey what they feel, or something that they are not being able to say properly, explain to you properly. But this person is saying that I am releasing whatever hindrance that was there, whatever understanding I had due to past experiences. I'm not living in that past anymore. I'm learning from it, and in all that reflection, as I'm detaching from the responsibilities, the weights that clouded my judgment, or made me not like maybe made me incapable of making certain kind of decision, or made me a little absent minded when I spoke to you. I am detaching myself from that, and I want to deepen the connection now. I want to speak to you more clearly, more honestly with you, is the energy which is coming in over here. But this is someone who is quite calculative, like very good in chess, perhaps, something like that. It's the energy which is coming in over here. I would also say don't ignore those red flags and see if you can work towards it, make that thing better. If you have certain kind of concerns, you might as well talk to them rather than presume is also coming in. Because knowing the truth will enable you to make a better decision, whether it is about taking the relationship forward or choosing another path. At least you'll be in the clear is also the energy which is coming in. It's almost like for some people just coming in, like you rarely speak, like you rarely give that wisdom. Like you have a lot of wisdom, deep wisdom in you, seated in you, and very rarely do you talk in that way. And whenever you do, you have a captivated audience always, is also the energy which is coming in. Trust in your gifts, trust in your inner voice is also coming in. Believe in yourself, in your intuition, and build from there is coming through. This side is also like, if this is a separation kind of this thing which is happening, this person feels safer loving you from a distance is also the energy which is coming in. So might as well let them, if that is the scenario that is resonating with you, might as well give them the time to find the courage to come towards you. Until then, mazel tov, my friend. Let's look into what the air mail is coming in and showcasing what they want to say to you. I'm just going to make some space here. Alrighty. What would you like to say? I've left a few cards. What would you like to say to me? This came in for the audience also. Self-love is vital. I am mirroring you. As you become more open into sharing your thoughts, sharing your feelings, whatever it is that you can convey to this person, showcasing that you are authentic. You are authentic. I'm not going to say that, like, but more self-accepting in a certain way. I don't know, like whenever you make a power move, it inspires them to make a power move in their own life or towards you. Is also coming in. All right, I'm going to go forward. They want to they want you to focus on yourself is also the energy which is coming in. We have easier to hide under the masks, but now I'm stuck. It's the same thing, like the magician card talks about being very clever as to how you are portrayed to others or the way you are influencing. There's a little bit of manipulation which may be occurring, but yeah, there is a little bit of facade, a disconnect from actually who you are and what you showcase to the world. And this may be something that they may have been doing, and they now feel stuck because they've created a certain kind of facade because they wanted to impress you, and they may be stuck by it now. when they want to convey and come towards you and break the ice or whatever they want to do. Feeling a little stuck as to how to go about it now. My feelings, my feelings never went away. They still feel very strongly for you. They want to assure you that is also coming in. They like what they're seeing. I want to test this connection, and I was talking about certain kind of test also over here. It's interesting. They are captivated by you and they want to see how deep does this go, how will things be. The energy is still light, like on the outside, but inwardly they're more, the thoughts and feelings are more evolved than what they portray is coming in. I have fantasized about you. I want to approach you, but this but they have to get over with on their own. Just keep doing what you're doing. Focus on your mastery, and love will follow, is the energy which is coming in. As you are sitting in your power, you're working upon your own self, becoming aware of who you are. And in a way that is becoming very liberating for you, is also coming in. There's something which has been dragging on in your mind perhaps, which you are letting go of. I don't know, August is turning out to be like that. Focusing on the small things which bring you happiness and everything. Finding more joy, doing the things that you like and everything is just keeping this person mesmerized and on their toes also. You have, do you even see me? I do. I even stalk your social media, but are you even interested? Do you even remember me? Do you even see me? I know there are many people, many suitors, many potentials, many people who are interested in you, fascinated by you. And I don't know, in that ocean of all the options available, whether or not you'll see me. I smile thinking about you. Well, that's great to know. This person is very soft on the inside. They may have like avoidant attachment kind of a scenario. I don't know, with the King of Swords is a little coldish, but when they warm up, they really warm up. They can really amp up a party also. They can be the center of the party also when they want. They have a gift of gab. Spirit may be asking you to trust the process, is also coming in. I'm not here to hurt you. I didn't understand what you meant, felt. There's no one like you. I've realized that. I wish things were like before. They miss the way things were like before. They want to rekindle the connection. Maybe even if you're married together, they want the friendship back, is also the energy which is coming in. Do you still feel the way you did when we started our journey together, is also the energy which is coming in. This is a connection which is based on friendship, a very thick friendship, beautiful friendship. And if this is a separation connection, it more, and if they contact you, it won't immediately be like, oh, I've missed you, I've longed for you, and this and that. It may be very on a friendly basis for them to be checking the energy, your vibe, whether or not you're interested, that kind of a thing which is coming in. Like with a simple hi or normal friendly message or call. Alright, let's look into what Gaia has to say. Also, with all of this, I'm seeing that detach yourself from situations, people, even person, relationship which are keeping you like, which are making you overwhelmed, and you want to make a decision but you're not being able to, because you're not being able to separate yourself from the energy of the situation. Step away, it will give you a lot of clarity if you have been feeling a little confused as to what to do with this person, is also coming in. But they can see that you've really worked upon your own self, is also the energy which is coming in, and that is driving them, drawing them towards you, is also coming through. Firstly, we have shift coming in. Choose a new direction. There's a shift which is required. Things needed to shift. You took your power back, perhaps, in a certain way. You didn't allow a particular situation to affect you anymore. And you shifted the trajectory of this relationship for the better, is also coming in. We have perception coming in over here. Try to look at things from a higher perspective, is also coming in. If you're trying to perceive the other person, then, or any kind of situation, let go of any kind of biases that may be there. They also really like the fact that even though you're very sharp into understanding the intentions of others, but till a certain point you will keep giving them chances. They love that about you. Shift in perception for you could be coming through, for them also, or it happens for you. You look at a situation from a different perspective because you took some time off for your own self, and you're coming back with revived energy and looking at things more clearly for the way they actually are, and then deciding whether or not you want to continue with it, you want to give into it, like give your energy into the situation. That kind of a thing is coming in. Anyways, let's just go forward. We have heat coming through, sacral chakra energy, and over here third eye chakra energy kind of coming in, speaking your own truth kind of a thing which is coming in. A shift in their perception brings them to you, is also coming through. I want to read what this is. I'll just read it. Earthly meaning is the elements are already there. The elements are already there. A little heat will get things moving. Agitate for change. Instability brings existing insecurities or concealed issues to the surface. Make the most of disorder with new rules, new heights, and a new plan. Take a risk, shake things up, and see what happens. Don't confuse stability with stagnation. Movement is constant. Be sure to direct it. It's time to take back control of your life, is also the energy which is coming in. It's also like certain things which are becoming very clear to you, which you may have been tolerating for a very long time, adjusting to for a very long time, which you're saying no to now because you're seeing it like, it's getting to you now, and you're stopping all of that, is also coming in. And it may be bringing a little beat heat to the situation, but it's all sieving things, is also the energy which is coming in. The truth shall set you free, or certain kind of a little bit of conflict which helps strengthen the bond, because you both can find a way of talking to each other more authentically, is also coming through. Maybe not the best way of it, but that is also coming in. This one literally says, still your mind, focus on your heart center, and allow the wisdom of the ages to illuminate your thoughts, nurture your soul, and guide you to wholeness. You're shifting things around for yourself. And there's a lot of solar plexus chakra and sacral chakra which is coming in. You're standing up for yourself. There's this fierce warrior energy which is coming in, charging in, making the shift, taking control of your life, and charging forward, which is happening over here. Certain kind of clarity which comes in, whether it is in the form of new information coming in, a heart-to-heart conversation coming through, certain kind of clarity which gives you a lot of strength, confidence, and that feeling that you're on the right path by choosing a particular direction for yourself, and it makes you feel good, and you're blazing a new trail for yourself. You're not afraid anymore, is the energy which is coming in. You're trusting yourself, and that's really, really beautiful. You're allowing old patterns, karmic patterns, cycles, principles which are obsolete now to burn into ashes as the ego self, the ideologies of the ego, which is very much fear based most of the time, is going up and trickling down with wisdom as your higher self comes through. Very strong divine feminine energy who was trying to be very forceful with his or her or their own divine masculine energy is paving way for the divine feminine energy to step in and allowing them divine masculine energy to feel secure, to feel confident that there's no obligation to portray yourself in a way which is not authentic to you, and you're stopping that because you are setting in healthy boundaries. As clarity comes in, as the sun comes through, heating certain kind of situations which are stagnant, it's almost like you're moving out of your comfort zone is also coming in because of few revelations which come through also your perspective is highly valued by your loved ones, also is the energy which is coming in. Also, don't be swayed by gossip is also the energy which is coming in over here, and be wary of gaslighting or someone who undermines your sense of self and the world around you. This one also says develop and hone your sensitivities because that is true strength, inner strength, a lot of inner strength which is required. There's so many messages which are coming in. I also feel even if you feel this person is quite cold, calculated, and all of that, they are emotionally very sensitive. They observe a lot. That's why they take the time to speak to after they understand the whole situation. They may be acting detached and cold, cool and calculated, but inside there's a lot of deep passion which is brewing, and they can't wait. They can't wait to cut everything which is in the way and just come in, woo you, win you, and close in with the proximities. Highly driven to come towards you, run towards you. That kind of energy is coming in. You bring in the heat. That is what is coming in. So do let me know if this resonated with you. If you enjoyed this if you enjoyed this reading, then please do hit the thumbs up, share it with the loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonin family. Until next time, love, light, clarity, empowerment, strength, abundance, and beautiful blessings to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.